Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to add new pages in WordPress using Elementor. Let's get started. I'll first log into my WordPress admin area. And the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you already have Elementor plugin installed in your WordPress. If you haven't, you'll navigate into the plugin section, select Add New, and from the Add New plugins that show up, you go to the search and type in Elementor. Once done, activate and you're done. Now, to add a new page in Elementor, you realize that in your navigation area on the left panel, once you install Elementor, there are two menus that show up. One is Elementor with all the settings, and we have templates in Elementor. The template option is the one we will use to create new pages using Elementor. So I'll navigate into the template section and navigate to Add New. I can see a number of templates that I have already created, but for this, I'll create a new page. So I'll select Page from the drop-out menu. I can give it a name. I can also leave that and show you a little bit later on how you can enter that name. And then I'll click on Create Template. There we go. We have just created our page in Elementor. A little bit of navigation here to make your page a little bit juicy. You'll notice that the top area here has the title of the page. To change that, I'll navigate to the setting option down there, and I can change the name of the page to something different. I can also go back to my tools and in here start working on the different layouts of the page. I can click on the icon and select split my page into two, and I'll get those placeholders where I can input my text and information. I can now start dragging elements from my tool section to my page area. For example, I can pick a video, drag that to the very first section, and I can also pick from the video that I have input. I have an opportunity to put in the link to my video from my video in here and do a little bit of customization. You notice the video is being called from YouTube. I can also change the source if I need Daily Motion or I need Vimeo in that case. I'll go back to my tool section and I have other options that I can choose to make sure my page looks more nicer and better. I can enter a button or an image into this new placeholder, which makes my page look even more neat and more nice. If I don't like the image I'm inputting in there, I'll just click on change image, browse from my database to find an image that suits my site. Once you have done all the manipulations and you feel that your page is good, you click on publish. Once the update is done, the page has already been saved. If I navigate to the page itself, the video we had input and the image will show up and other options will follow in. Well, that is how we work with pages in Elementor. Well, don't forget to download your free copy of the WordPress Quick Guide for businesses. The link is in the description below. And if you like this video, smash the like button and I'll see you in the next nugget.